We've been arrested. Turns out that method you found on TikTok wasn't an infinite money glitch, but straight up wire fraud. And now both of us are looking at a potential 20 years in prison. But the officers have a deal. If you confess to your crimes and agree to testify that I was the mastermind behind the operation, I'll be sentenced to 10 years in prison and you'll be set free. No jail time, no record, as if it never happened. But they also inform you that they've offered me the same deal, and I could actively be snitching on you as we speak. We found ourselves in a real-world example of the prisoner's dilemma. In this situation, there are three different possible outcomes. If both of us stay silent, the officers won't have enough evidence to build a full case, so the both of us would only get a maximum of 2 years in prison. However, if you decide to snitch on me, you can walk away with no prison time whatsoever. Snitching may seem like the best choice if your motives are purely selfish, but wait. If I make the same decision, and we both choose to snitch, then the combination of our testimonies will be enough to lock us away for the full 20 years. So, from a game theory perspective, is there a winning move? Actually, yes, but it isn't the move that gives the best overall outcome. No matter what I do, snitching seems better for you. If I stay silent, you go free by snitching. If I snitch, you avoid being the only one who stayed quiet and got destroyed. So your rational move is to snitch. But here's the problem. I'm doing the exact same math in my head, and when both people make the individually rational decision, we end up with the worst collective outcome, 20 years each. That's the prisoner's dilemma. The best outcome for both of us together is cooperation. We both stay silent and only get 2 years. But the Nash equilibrium is betrayal. We both snitch. A Nash equilibrium is a situation where no player can improve their outcome by changing their decision alone. So once we both snitch, neither of us can individually switch strategies and get a better result. And that's what makes the prisoner's dilemma so brutal. It shows how two people acting in their own self-interest can create an outcome that's worse for everyone involved, which is why trust, reputation, repeated interactions, and actual consequences matter so much. Because in a one-time game, betrayal looks rational, but in real life, the game usually doesn't end after one round.